For the first time in Langkawi's history, a historic moment is about to unfold. A gathering of faith, knowledge and unity, where Islamic values guide us towards sustainable development. Introducing the Langkawi International Islamic Conference 2025, 1st and 2nd February 2025. 8:45 a.m. to 10 p.m. at Masuri International Exhibition Center, Langkawi, Malaysia. Admission is free. People of all faith are welcome. 18 international English Islamic speakers from 10 different countries speak on one goal that were discussed in United Nations. All the speakers will talk about each goal. DrZakirNaik, India. Dr. Umar Suleiman, USA. Dr. Muhammad Salah, Egypt. Sheikh Hasim Al-Hakim, Saudi Arabia. Sheikh Yusuf Estes, USA. Sheikh Abdul Rahim Green, UK. Dr. Sajid Umar, UK. Dr. Bilal Phillips, Canada. Dr. Ahmad Ibn Saifuddin, Saudi Arabia. Sheikh Haitham Al-Haddad, UK. Dr. Walid Basayoni, USA. Sheikh Abdul Rahim McCarthy, USA. Sheikh Ala Al-Sayyid, Canada. Sheikh Hussain Yi, Malaysia. Sheikh Yusuf Idris, Sudan. Sheikh Shade Al-Suleiman, Australia. Sheikh Said Rage, Canada. Sheikh Farid Naik, Malaysia. Sheikh Qari Saad Nomani, Pakistan. The Langkawi International Islamic Conference 2025.